Hello everyone. If you want to customize or to change the way how your phone rings or vibrates, you can do that if you go to the settings, after that to sounds and vibration. And here you can see several options for that, like the sound mode, when there is normal sound or only just to vibrate or to mute your phone, and you can add an additional option like vibrate while ringing. Here you can see the ringtone. You can select from the list, and you can select also the notification sound and the system sound, which is for me is the Galaxy, but here are three other options for you. And the volume, of course, from the ringtone, for the media, notification and system. And here are other additional options like call vibration pattern, notification vibration pattern, vibration intensity, system sound, vibration control, sound quality and effect, or to separate different sounds for different apps. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day. Bye.